If you got sick in the Victorian era, the cure was often deadlier than the disease. Imagine walking into a pharmacy and buying heroin for your toddler. It sounds insane, but in the late 1800s, the company Bayer sold heroin as a non-addictive cough syrup specifically for children. They claimed it was safer than codeine, and if you had a toothache, no problem. Doctors prescribed cocaine drops. It was sold openly to numb gum pain in both adults and babies. There was even a popular medicine called Mrs. Winslow's Soothing Syrup for teething infants. The main ingredient? Morphine. It often put babies to sleep permanently. We call them drug dealers today. Back then, they just called them doctors.